This should be a quick video. I am not very educated when it comes to working on cars. Most things I have my dealership do the cars under warranty. This is a 2021 Mazda CX-9. But I just had the car in the shop for some warranty stuff, and they recommended the engine air filter to be replaced. And I don't have the quote right now, but they want, I don't know how much it was. It was definitely over $100. I think they were asking for $150 or so. I got the filter off of Amazon for about $20. And to replace that, you really don't need a whole lot of skill. So real quick rundown. This cover here is the housing for the air filter, and to open that up, there are these two clips. There's one here, there's another one here, and then I should be able to just fold this up, move it to the side, and replace the filter. Okay, I hope I got a good zoom factor here so this is visible. Clip one here, clip one there. You just gotta clip this to the side. Make sure they don't fall out. And now this cover comes up like so. And there's my air filter. Yeah, it looks a little... Definitely can use a replacement. Use the new one. So compare those two. Old versus new. You can definitely see the difference. No confusing them. Make sure you don't pull this rubber lip off here when you take it out of the bag, and it should just drop in like that. So, cover up once again. The filter just drops into this little tub here. Sure that rubber gasket is lined up properly. You don't want it to pull any air where it's not supposed to, and the lid goes right back on. Clip and clip, and that's the whole procedure. I didn't even need any tools. So, perfect little project you can do at home and save a lot of money.